Hi folks, welcome to Sam Lehman's BMW. We're here today to do a little demonstration of our 3 products that we install here for your customers' benefits at this store. We are partners here from the PermaPlate Corporation with the Sam Lehman Auto Group with our appearance protection program. What that means to you is we install 3 products on your vehicles. First one we do is we install what we call a paint guard protection product. Our paint guard goes on and actually seals the clear coat from any damage that may occur to the hood or any part of the painted surface of the vehicle, including your chrome trim, your headlights from yellowing, fogging, and fading, even your rims on alloy wheels from salt damage or anything else, brake staining or brake pitting or anything that may happen to them that way. The beautiful thing about it is you have a world-class warranty that backs all of that up. It means we're going to come out to your home, place of business, or back here to the dealership, or anywhere in the country, and we're going to remove it. If we can't remove it, we're going to repaint it for you, okay, which is very important. Let's talk a little bit about the interior. Our interior protection has 2 different products that we install in the vehicle. One we put on all your leather and vinyl surfaces, including your seat, your headrest, your door panel, all of your trim, including your dashboard, and everything here in the middle and the back of the seat, including your trunk. That will all be protected with our leather guard product. Against things like rips, tears, burns, punctures. Those are all included in the program. We also have a dye transfer. Light color interiors our clothes tend to wear off over time. We cover all that, full replacement on that for your benefit as well. We also then go ahead and we're going to spray all of your carpeted areas, like in the wells here, front seat, back seat, and we're going to take care of the trunk for you. What we see there, a lot of times, what do we see in the trunk? People put their groceries, people put other things in there. This is a product that we always like to say protects your lifestyle. So when you have an occurrence, it's not a matter of if it's going to ever happen, it's a matter of when it's going to happen. We're going to come out, we're going to take care of that, we're going to repair it. If you can't look to repair it, we're going to look to replace it. Okay, so you have full protection on the interior from all your lifestyle products as well. Folks, to show you a little bit about our interior protection for your leather and your vinyl, what we have here is what we call our fiber cards. We have treated this side of it with our protection, and this side has no protection on it. So basically, if you decided not to go with the program, this would be what you would have in your hands. So I'm going to do it 2 different ways. I'm going to do one, the first with oil. Why do we use oil, guys? It's one of the harshest things you can put on the interior exterior of your car. Okay? If it'll stop oil, your pop, your juice, your candy, anything like that, virtually will not be able to penetrate. Okay? So I'm going to take a little bit, and I'm going to put it on the untreated side. See what that works. And then I'm going to take a ton, put it on the treated side. You can see right away what that's designed to do. So on the treated side, it's designed to sit and beat up and easily be removed. On the untreated side, you can see already what it's starting to do. So what we do is I wipe that off for you. I also am going to do the same thing with a Sharpie. So I take a Sharpie and I put it on the untreated side, and you can see it starts to bleed. And you can see it'll go right through. On the treated side, we could sit here all day. Keep going. Nothing. Untreated, treated. So that's your interior protection for your leather and your vinyl. Folks, the last thing I want to show you today on our appearance protection on the paint guard product is a pretty drastic test that we do all the time, just to show you what we cover and how good of our paint protection is. This happens to be a beautiful brand new 3 Series BMW. Sticker on the car is about $42,000. I'm going to actually take spray paint that I have here. It doesn't say PermaPlate, doesn't say Sam Lehman. It's a regular flat black spray paint. I'm going to actually spray paint the hood right now. Put a nice big $sign in there. Let that sit. Now, to make it even crazier, I'm going to actually light it on fire and replicate some sun damage. Bake that in there nice and good. You can see that's got a nice little singe to it. I'm going to take our renewer, I have a little bit on our pad here, because if I just started rubbing on that right now, I'm going to scratch it. So I'm going to take with one finger, and I'm going to wipe that away. Folks, I got one finger on this. That's pretty cool. I can feel how hot it is underneath my finger. It's pretty wild. That's the kind of protection we have for all your customers. Wow. Here at the Lehman Auto Group. You guys like that?